So last year I made a 8D corrective action on yield not increasing. This 8D that was created, I looked at weather impact, pollination, tiller count. So from last year I started to count tiller. The pollination, there's something there that I unable to do yet. And then the weather, it's really difficult to manage weather. So basically, I leave it up to the Lord. So I basically close this 8D mainly because it's not viable in helping me increase rice yield. So I made another one, and this one is a little bit more viable. So it's corrective action 002, and it's created today. Again, the symptoms is the same, yield not increasing. And instead of three from uh, previous corrective action, I put five because it's actually been 5 years now. And although there is a slight increase from what I've been learning in first crop 2024, I still kept it around 100 because honestly, it is. It's actually slightly over 100, still 100. D3 interim containment action, none at this time, mainly because how can you contain growing rice? And so, what is the root cause? It turned out to be the split fertilized application that we're using. What is split? So you have 20 dot and then 30 dot. 20 you the field are fertilized, and then after that 35 dot the second set of fertilization is applied, and you do that for 5 years. It doesn't change. So, so we should have been using tri or quad split fertilization. Anyway, that's beside the point. Like like in my other videos, I did mention that I was ignorant, along with arrogance. That's how it is. And so, define, select, verify corrective actions. Well, I defined it. So I went back to research YouTube, social media, and look for high yield farmers and understand their method and implement their process and procedure. I did that a little bit in cycle 1 2024, and in my previous video there was a slight decrease. And also at the same time I went back and start researching and reading again a lot of research paper. There are quite a bit of them. Having now experienced 5 years worth, I started to understand their method and procedure being used in the research. So I'm using some of that, not fully, but some. So D6, implement and validate corrective action. So we implemented tri-split fertilization methodology and is implemented in second crop 2024. Date implemented, it's not like a single date. It's going to be simply the window of second crop 2024. We will see when we look at the harvest in August, September, all the way to October. It's simply that the schedule was wasn't followed. That's probably just another one of those 8Ds. Why is the schedule not followed? Anyway, looking at the end result, I will see whether I will create an idea on that. So this is it. This is, I think, encapsulated all of the understanding, reading, and doing, and getting a level of understanding how to improve rice yield. Thanks for watching.